Hey guys, what's happening? How to share and publish trade ideas on TradingView. So, want to showcase your analysis and get feedback? Here is how to share and publish trade ideas on TradingView like a pro. So first of all, go ahead and select your chart, right? Also, for example, I'm going to the Netflix chart, right? So as you can see right here, this is the Netflix chart, and I put some kind of like analysis to it. Like I added the pencil, the measurement, the trend line, and everything basically, right? So now I added the trend line, the head, the shoulders, and all that stuff. Now you can capture your idea, right? If you're using iPhone, just go ahead and tap the volume up in the lock screen to take a snapshot, or you can use right here the tools at the bottom right and swipe left to click share right here, right? And then you're gonna be able to save image or share it to the market. Okay, and you can add title and description, right? You could just go ahead right here, basically go save that image and go to the, you can go ahead and select search for the market. You can also click edit, and you can see right here ideas, right? And as you can see, for you, editor's pick, and you could go ahead and see multiple ideas from different creators, but you need to upgrade in order to do that, right? So as you can see right here, we're gonna go back to the chart, right? And you can go ahead and click publish idea, or the right here, the lighting pulp at the bottom next to the share, and you can save it, and you can also share it immediately and add a title and description, right? Choose visibility and choose if you want to make it public, right? Let's say try them, right? Hit continue, and you can control the privacy from here, right? And engage with the community, get feedback, discuss strategies, and refine your trading skills. By sharing your insights, you will improve your analysis and build a trading network. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.